What's up, everybody? Officer Dan. So this is the trailer that I picked up with that Seat Time 350Z. So I'm gonna kind of give you guys a runaround of what it included and why I think it exists in the first place, and then what we're gonna need to do to it to actually make it work. So let's check it out. All right, so as you can see, it's literally a Z cut in half with a flat towing bar welded to the front of it. It has a hatch, which of course doesn't have any struts or any way to hold itself up. It does open all the way. Surprisingly enough, it still makes me really nervous. But yeah, we fit 2 tires in it right away. I'm sure once this thing's actually fully hollowed out, we'll be able to fit, I don't know, maybe 8? That would be fantastic. Put a couple in the car, a couple in the trailer, some tools, hit the event. Even hollow this out some more. It's a little bit of a mess. That's okay. A couple of days, we'll get this thing cleaned out, probably weld a few extra things, and I think she's gonna be okay. So yeah, it's got some possibilities. It definitely needs some things, like this doesn't lock in any way, shape, or form. Probably needs to be painted because it is rusting everywhere. It has no electrical hookups. This is pretty heavy. It's not a light unit, so it needs some sort of a stand. I don't know how structurally sound this is for towing, but you know, whatever. The hatch opens too, but of course it has no struts. There isn't a thing to hold up any of the body panels on this car and or trailer anywhere. It also doesn't latch. So as we were driving down the highway, it actually bounced up and then bounced the taillights right out. I had to actually pull over and go pick them up. So that's fun. We're gonna shut this because it's really heavy. Oh God. As you can also see, it's a hole that goes straight to the ground. So can't exactly put anything right here. It's also got a straight axle and some little baby leaf springs. So this needs to be finished off. It needs some sort of a pan down here, maybe a tire rack. Tools can go down here, maybe a little air tank. I don't know. I think this thing's gonna be pretty rad. I think the hard part's gonna actually be finding a way to get the trailer situated on the Z, but we'll figure that out soon. Gonna need to figure out the taillight wiring as well. That's not too big of a deal. And some sort of way to latch this thing, because it does not have it. Just go ahead. Oh God. I done did it now. Now I can't open it. I shut it too much because it doesn't have any kind of a handle. Sick. Okay. Good feature. Nope. Yep, I'm gonna need some tools. Hot damn. It's got its own lock. It doesn't need anything from anybody. Oh, yeah, it's a little sketch. So that's the ins and outs of this here trailer. We're gonna work on it at some point. I don't know when that's gonna be, but it seems like a pretty cool idea on paper. I don't know if it's a cool idea in real life, IRL, but we'll figure it out and probably do a little bit of filming when we start cutting this thing and welding and changing. All right, catch you guys later. Peace.